Hi, but today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own paws for your characters. I'm a fairy, by the way, and this is my fairy. This is my persona. She is called Daisy. She's a paper fursuit, and I have paper fursuits. Here she is. Yeah, she's very cute. And if you guys are a fairy too, or you have a persona, here's how to make some paws. I accidentally did the first step because I had to redo the video, but you need to cut your hand, measure how big your hand is, make it a little bit bigger than your hand, and imagine these two fingers are together, these two fingers are together, and then this one's on its own, right? So you have 3 fingers. That's gonna be how it's like on the paw, so that you have 3 fingers like you would normally. So make that shape on a piece of paper, then cut it out. Then trace it on another piece of paper and cut it out, so then you should have 2 pieces of this. The next step is to get your sellotape. Also, the things you will need is scissors, paper, a pencil, sellotape, and stuffing. So, after you do that, you get these sellotapes. So I bought my guinea pigs. They go crazy over sellotape for some reason. I don't know why. Then place it exactly on the top of how it is. I don't know how to explain that. But place them right on top of each other like that. Do not stick the bottom. Whenever you do not stick the bottom. So put a bit on the side and then flip it over so you stick the sides. Well, yeah, stick both of the sides. Real good. You might need to do multiple layers, so I'm just going to do a couple more layers. So I was wanting to ask you guys, what's your persona, or what are going to be the colour of your paws, or, you know, what character are you making these for? Are you making them for yourself? Are you making them for a Halloween costume? Or a friend, or a fairy suit, I don't know. Then you should have this, and then it should be like, you can put your hand in it like this, but then it just comes through the top. That's exactly how we want it. Now what you want to do is you need to get your stuffing. I'm not able to use that much because this is my mom's better, and I don't want to use all the stuffing out of it. But I'm going to take some of the stuffing out of it. It broke anyway. I need about 2 paws, so I need enough for 2. I think that's enough for 1. Let's try the head. 2. There we go. I'll show you how much you need. I'll show you how much I've got. Also, by the way, I'm only showing you how to make 1 paw in this tutorial, but then you made the other paws again. And this is the end of part 1. I'll show you in part 2 everything else to do. So yeah, bye bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe and post notification bell. Ding 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 ding. Love you all so much. Bye bye, blossoms. Peace.